Hello, welcome. Yes, my Celtics, my Boston Celtics are gonna win against these Denver McNuggets. Yes, let's time to watch the game. And we're just gonna skip the first, second, and third quarter. The fourth quarter that matters the most. Let's start this.
Fourth quarter underway. Tatum in the ball game. Cornet.
Yes.
Cornet with his first field goal. Murray back in the ball game.
Block him. Block him.
And look at the back line. You got
Oh, block him.
First quarter.
You stupid. Retired?
In full disclosure, Doris,
I know Jamal.
that young lady was my daughter that Jamal Murray.
What the hell?
Good contest by Jackson.
This bullshit.
An offensive opportunity again. Holiday
Hit the free. Hit the free.
takes it inside.
Word that.
Aaron Gordon with the Jesus.
Started nothing.
Takes it out to Watson. One more to Caldwell Pope. Steps
Wow, you
inside
left him
for
wide
two.
open. Oh, he missed it.
And it comes up. Little empty corner two-man game. He's going to walk down.
Let's go, Celtics. Yeah, Celtics.
Mid-post area. And he
Yeah! Three-pointer.
Tatum up to 18.
Defense.
Murray off the Gordon screen.
Defense.
Murray with the drill out there. Doing fine.
That's lame.
Jackson holding his left eye, so they blitz Holiday. Jackson, it never hurts when you shoot. And that one comes in
Ah.
tonight. A one-point game.
These Nuggets are so
Spreads out
trash.
to Caldwell Pope for three. Got it.
Yeah. No, wait, no. That's not.
Said that his goal early
Rooting for the wrong team. I'm supposed to be rooting for my awesome green Celtics.
That's a good piece of tape right there that he put on a reel.
Nice.
Physical, make him shoot over the top. Great job taking
Keep
up the
missing
space
it.
by Reggie Jackson.
Murray likes this matchup. Spins away the patented fadeaway. Butter.
Are you
Boston
serious?
trying to remain undefeated at home this year. They've won 20 straight. Murray trying to
Defense.
change that. Got it.
Grr.
Well, he's back.
All-Star week.
No way.
Continues.
If we lose to the Nuggets.
Boston down by 4. Make it 1. Derek White.
Yeah. Three-pointer.
Shot clock down to 7 already for Tatum. Caldwell Pope
Oh.
all over him.
Let's go, Celtics. Yeah!
Zula calls the play. Brown trying to post up Murray. Got him in jail. Count it. One-on-one against Horford.
Defense.
No double team. Porzingis with a little late
Yes.
help and too late.
Wait, no. God damn it.
Horford's coming back the other way. Murray surveys, finds Caldwell Pope in the corner. Shot a moon ball. And it's out of bounds. One assist away from his league-leading 13
Come on,
triple
do some defense already.
inside with the jump hook. Count it.
And he is furious.
Brown, good screen navigation. Tatum
Lord.
out on Joker for 3. And Porter Jr. with great activity got the putback.
His offense.
Porzingis, 6 on the shot clock. In a crowd
Oh
on
no,
the
we're down.
Porter
Oh
Jr.
no.
And Tatum
Oh,
on the board.
yeah.
Brown moving his feet well on Murray.
Come
Shot
on,
clock
just
at
do some
6.
defense and get a basket. We're down one. No. Yeah.
Wants Michael Porter
Come on.
Jr. Tatum drops it off for White.
Oh, yes. Ah.
With a big-time board and an offensive.
Ah.
And
Oh,
the
no.
rebound comes to Tatum.
Yes.
Takes it to
Yes.
Oh, and it
Ah.
Holiday
Oh, you trash. You're so. Huh? No. What? He sold the layup. I can't believe he sold that layup. What are you screaming about? My damn Celtics lost. That's it. I'm gonna take my anger out on you. Oh. Ow. Uh-oh. You're grounded for punching me in the face. You're grounded.